Hi! Today we're working on the Mandala with watercolor. For this project, you need a masking tape that is 2 centimeters wide, watercolor, a thick brush, 2 drawing pens 0.2 and 0.8 black, a pencil, 12-inch ruler, eraser, and an A5 white cardboard. As a first step, start by pasting the masking tape on the paper. Now get your watercolors and choose 2 to 3 colors that you would like to use. I'm going to use my favorite colors of all, that are the purple and blue, and I'm going to add a bit of green. And we're going to keep it light. So we dip our brush into the water and we start spreading water on all the white parts of the cardboard. Now start adding your colors. At first you start adding the purple and then the blue. After you have finished painting the white parts, leave it out to dry for about 15 minutes. Peel the masking tape off. Now get a 0.8 drawing pen and trace the lines. Then we start doodling. We will use today 4 different patterns of doodling. The first pattern consists of drawing a number of triangles from big to small. The second pattern is a basket weave, but it will be only one line, so we will trace a few lines, vertical and few horizontal lines. For the third pattern, we will start by drawing a random shape and then retracing the outline from the inside, from bigger to smaller. For the last pattern, we will use the technique of the spiral drawing. First, start by drawing a number of vertical lines, and then in each rectangle we have, we will do the spiral technique. That's it for today. This is our project. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe to the channel for future videos. See you next time!